guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week I'm going to be doing a natural beat on my face. I've already done my brows. If you want to know how to do your brows, my first video was a brow tutorial, so you can head right on over and check that out. I've already done my brows and primed my face, so let me pin my hair. Let's jump right in. So as mentioned, I already primed my face and did my glow illuminator. Y'all, before I start this tutorial, let me tell y'all about this illuminator. This is the best. Like, you see this shine? Like, I have a natural highlight going on before I even put on my makeup. So anyway, let's start the tutorial. So first I'm gonna start with priming my eyes with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So there's a secret to concealer if you let it sit for a while. Basically, it does a better job. Just let the concealer sit there for a second and then it'll do its job a little better. And then after you blend it in, you can just go ahead and put your setting powder or finishing powder on it, whichever one you prefer. So I'm gonna blend this out. Once you blend that in all good, you just basically wanna go ahead and do your setting powder like I said. Today I'm doing the Laura Mercier. Your every day, holy grail. What I like to do is just basically put my beauty blender in, cover all the areas that I just basically put concealer on. Then let that sit. Fluffy brush just to dust away that product. It's just a brown fluffy brush, just basically for dusting away. It's called the Pro Precision Powder, Precision Brush 59. Looking good. Ready for your shadow, girl. Like, I always use my primary transition colors in Subculture, in Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange. So I'm really trying to just venture out and do some different things. So today I'm going to be using my Violet Voss palette. Let's start off with taking the color Transition and just rubbing that on a fluffy brush. And you want to do windshield wiper motions like always. These colors are super powdery, so you got to kind of build up that color. And like I said, you want to do those small circles just to get that transition shade in there. I'm gonna go back in and take hashtag, which is the one closest to it on the end, and do basically the same thing. So you can kind of make that color a little more defined. Maybe that'll get us a little more defined. I look. Oh, that's so pretty. Basically adding that "How Are You Doing" shade just upped my eyeshadow game like 5,000 points. So it added definition and it made it look prettier. So I'm looking at my shirt and I think a primary color I should do is red. So dip your brush into the bath. Alright, I'm done. Alright, so go ahead and start patting that on where you want your shadow to be. Just making sure to get my whole lid. Now these colors, it's kind of tricky to get it like right before your lash line. So you want to make sure that it's filled in right there. go ahead and do your contour. So I'm taking LA Pro Girl in the color, does it tell us colors? They're so busy trying to keep you from stealing. Damn sis, this was $1.99. Ain't nobody gonna steal it. But anyways, taking this in whatever guy's color this is. Ugh, pissing me off, fucking beauty supply stores. So you want to start from your brow and just basically make these dark lines along the center. Well, not the center of your nose, like the midsection of it. Then you want to kind of circle it right there. And then just basically start from the brow. Don't ever come up because you'll fuck up your nose job. So you want to start right here and just basically meet that other line in the middle. Baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So now you want to take the concealer that you primed with. Well, not, oh yeah, primed with. The concealer that you primed with and just basically draw a line down the center of your nose. So I'm trying this new thing, y'all, where I don't voice over. So I'm trying to give you a natural me. So yeah. You want to take your concealer on any kind of brush that you feel comfortable with and just basically go down the center of your nose with that color. Since this is a natural look, I don't want to use too much makeup, so I'm going to basically just do a dab of this under my eyes. That way I can take away any discoloration or black marks. And a tip, guys, never use that much corrector. It's not like concealer where you have to use that much. Some people just basically compare the two. And then around your mouth right here for those little dark areas. And if you got a pimple, pop, pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop to the top. Who watched High School Musical? That was my shit when I was younger, like, really, the shit. Blend the rest of it out. And when you're blending color corrector out, don't smudge it. Just blend it in that one place. And that way it can just sit on that spot that you deem discolorated. My trick to doing my nose contour, just basically do the brown lines first and then come back and do the tan. Well, the color, the concealer color that matches my skin more. And also don't drag this either, because you don't want to just get it anywhere that it shouldn't be. Then your nose will be looking strong as hell and big as fuck. And that's never good for contouring day. It surprises me with makeup, like, because I literally couldn't do contouring like 4 weeks ago. And it just surprises me so much every day that you can learn so many new things with makeup. And I'm still learning stuff while teaching you guys. That's a bad bitch, okay? Okay. It's Cinco de Mayo. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all gotta excuse my behavior. Cause I'm getting ready for part 2 now. Then if those red are still too red for you, go ahead and blend them on out some more. But make sure you don't get it on the side where you had that darker concealer. because then your ass will look like a raccoon and nobody got time for that. Alright, so go ahead and take your favorite eyeliner. Some cheap one from the beauty supply. My eyes are forever watery when I apply eyeliner. Go ahead and take a little smudger brush. It's just a little. Then just basically go ahead and smudge that in. Tip, never double dip your mascara wand because you will clump it up and have clumpy lashes. Nobody likes those. If you want more product, you can move down, like move it down, because I'm sure you haven't used all the product on the last of the wand. So now that I've done all that, let's go ahead and do this foundation. Take your beauty blender. I want to get a clean one. Let me go with it. This is a natural look. I'm not going to do that much foundation, especially since I've already contoured. I'm just going to put one little line right there, one line right here, one line right there, one right here, and an X on my forehead. Just go ahead and pat that in like you know how. Make sure you wanna get it all everywhere, even on your ears. Move your hair out of the way so you can dab those a couple of times. And just basically making sure that everything is nice and smooth on your face. You wanna go ahead and get a blush and your highlighter. I'm using a cheap drugstore one. It's L'Oreal True Match Lumi. It's just basically one of those compact blush shimmer things. I like this color the most in this one. Like I said, this is a natural look, so we're not gonna do too much. Let me just go ahead and get my setting spray. I use MAC Prep Prime finish spray, and I basically just structure the back, the butter, and spray it a couple feet away from your face. So make sure you subscribe if you already haven't. Like this video. I like yours. I'll check your channel out as well. And I'll see you babies next time. My next week's tutorial is basically going to be how to apply your lashes. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you for supporting me, and I love you babies.